Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So my dear friends, how are you all doing today? I sincerely hope that you all are doing absolutely wonderfully and incredibly well. Guys, this particular video can be very informative for you, especially if you truly want to enter the exciting trading field. I want to talk to you because a lot of people mistakenly think that in trading we can become profitable very quickly, believing that in just one night we'll find some trick or some strategy that will make us millionaires overnight. So I want to clear up this concept for you here. The biggest thing is that whenever you want to start trading, you always see things in trading that are flashy, that shine. Whenever you look at a trader, you look at their lifestyle, right? And seeing their lifestyle, you feel like, wow, this person is living such a great life. So I should trade too. I should live a good life as well. But when you look closely, they don't try to tell you certain things, the things you actually want to know. They show you the lifestyle, but the methods, the tricks they use, they never show those. What do they show you? They show you indicators. They show you nonsense things like use this indicator, use that indicator. This is a profitable indicator. That one is a profitable indicator. So these are the kinds of things they show you. All right. The main and most crucial thing that truly matters, they never actually show you that. So what I would genuinely say to you is that if you ever truly want to engage in trading, generally speaking, or if you ever wish to follow any particular trader, I would generally and strongly advise you to meticulously look at their detailed analysis. See precisely how they analyze various things. Does he consistently show you useless and ineffective indicators? You can clearly see here there are so many different things here. All right, if we carefully look here, these are indeed good and beneficial things, but there are a lot of other things we can observe here, like the comprehensive indicator section. There's the accelerator oscillator, we can add it, and then we'll know whether we need to buy, so we'll go ahead and buy. What are these? These are nonsense things. What do they do? The broker himself provides these to us. All right, when the broker himself is providing them to us, what this truly means is that these are specifically for those individuals who frequently come in and try their luck here. Those who trade purely based on mere luck, and after trading quite accidentally and subsequently making losses, ultimately end up losing their valuable funds. So generally speaking, you should only ever follow someone if you genuinely feel that, yes, this particular person, this specific individual, what exactly are they actually providing? Or if they're not providing anything substantial, then how precisely are they doing their own thorough analysis? You should generally know this crucial information. Only then can you confidently follow someone in the trading field. If someone is just telling you to simply add this RN indicator, or when it crosses here, to immediately take a down trade, or if it goes up to utilize the parabolic saw or the Bollinger Bands, and then to take a trade for 2 minutes, or perhaps 3 minutes, or to take a down trade, do you truly know what actually happens in such scenarios then? See, this is your hard-earned money. You've earned it with great difficulty because making money is really, truly hard to achieve. When someone puts their valuable hard-earned money into the challenging trading field and then unfortunately loses it, they often get completely demotivated. They start to feel like trading is simply not for them, that trading is just a form of gambling, because they begin to perceive trading as nothing more than gambling. So, let me tell you generally, if you genuinely want to follow someone, if you truly want to follow a mentor, then it is crucial to choose the right mentor. The right mentor won't deceive you with their extravagant lifestyle. Just showing off their lifestyle shouldn't really matter to you at all. The common tendency of people is that they show off flashy, luxurious lifestyles, and you get easily motivated by them. And after getting motivated, you put your precious hard-earned money into trading and ultimately end up losing it. So, generally speaking, you absolutely need to choose your mentor wisely and carefully. What exactly does your mentor do? What specific technicals do they actually use? Or do they just tell you about useless, ineffective indicators? Or what kind of things do they make you do in practice? You should generally know all this important information. It's not just about copying someone simply by looking at their outward lifestyle. It's entirely about what kind of insightful analysis they genuinely show you, what kind of comprehensive general knowledge about current prices they thoughtfully share with you, and whether they are truly telling you things that are actually relevant and directly applicable to your specific situation. These are the crucial things that others on YouTube often can't show you because they genuinely don't know, and even if someone does possess that valuable knowledge, they frequently can't effectively show it, so it ultimately doesn't get properly shown. People often just make videos, but they aren't truly showing you how they actually trade, what their real, well-defined trading plan genuinely is. So First and foremost, if you sincerely want to follow a mentor, then you absolutely have to know precisely who you are following and what valuable insights they are actually giving you. Now, let me tell you quite simply, trading is unequivocally not for everyone. This is indeed a bitter truth, but it is, without a doubt, the absolute truth. Trading is genuinely not for everyone. Trading is specifically for those dedicated individuals who are truly hardworking, who can meticulously make a well thought out plan, who can consistently stay disciplined, who can effectively control their powerful emotions with their strong mindset, whose mindset is truly at that elevated level to diligently work in this challenging field. Trading is exclusively for them. Trading is definitively not for everyone. Trading is not for an average person, okay? Because a normal person cannot truly handle the losses in trading. They can indeed handle the profits, they'll be very happy with the profits. But generally, they can get extremely troubled and deeply affected by the losses, become desperate and overwhelmed, and can even get addicted to this activity. And being addicted to trading is a very bad and detrimental thing. If you're addicted to learning and acquiring new knowledge, that will undoubtedly be good for you. But if you get addicted to trading with real money, it will ultimately be very bad and quite harmful for you. So I just want to tell you in a very general sense that, for example, right here we have this particular MACD indicator, and these types of indicators, what exactly are they in reality? They are, quite frankly, complete and utter nonsense, okay? They truly are nothing more than absolute nonsense. Here, if it turns green, take green. If it moves towards red, go for red for a downtrend. If it crosses here, do this. Don't do that, guys. This is not a good thing. If you want to trade, learn trading. To learn trading, you need the guidance of a good mentor. Learn trading from a good mentor. Follow a good YouTuber. I'm not saying you should follow me. You can follow anyone, but you have a mind of your own. You have to decide whom you want to watch. You know very well, right? How much profit can you really make from indicators? You know very well, right? So you will decide who is right and who is wrong. I'm not here just to tell you to simply subscribe to my channel. I'm here to tell you that you should truly think for yourself very carefully about whom you ultimately want to subscribe to, whether you genuinely want indicators, whether you desire easy money, or if you truly want to work hard, diligently learn something through dedicated effort, and then confidently enter the world of trading and actively trade. Trading, as you know, is a very risky and inherently uncertain endeavor. So, whenever we undertake anything like becoming a skilled engineer, striving to become a doctor, or pursuing a career as an actor or a singer, we diligently practice, we thoroughly learn things, we delve deeply into the intricate details, we conduct comprehensive deep analysis, and that's precisely when we are truly able to achieve that desired level. If it takes someone 6 years to become a doctor and it takes 3 to 6 years to become an engineer, then why can't you give yourself at least 1 year? Trading also requires a substantial amount of time. Look, in this world, it's not absolutely essential that you only do trading. You'll find numerous other businesses, like real estate, for example, and there are many truly valuable things too. There are a great many businesses in the world. You can truly do almost anything in this vast world. It's not strictly necessary to engage in trading. I'm certainly not trying to demotivate you specifically about trading, nor am I attempting to motivate you. I'm simply telling you the unvarnished facts, the undeniable reality. I'm just talking generally because you are all my valued subscribers. Honestly, I genuinely don't want anything from you personally. I just want you to make your own informed decisions according to yourself. You should truly know what specific decisions you are making. So, generally speaking, find your own trusted mentor and diligently learn the art of trading from them. Don't ever get caught up in any single indicator. Don't trade solely based on just any one indicator. And please, guys, please don't lose your valuable hard-earned money here. Guys, please, I implore you. So, that's precisely what I wanted to explain in this comprehensive video, whether you should seriously consider doing trading or not. I sincerely hope whoever watched this entire video fully understood what I was genuinely trying to convey and say, but no worries at all, I'll definitely make many more helpful videos just like this. You can easily understand these important things. I truly hope the essential things I wanted to tell you were perfectly clear to you. So that's absolutely it for this video, guys. Thank you so very much for watching this entire video. And if you haven't joined our official Telegram channel yet, then definitely go ahead and join it right away. And if you like our fantastic YouTube channel, you can feel free to subscribe to that as well. I'm absolutely not forcing you in any way whatsoever. Thank you so much, guys. I truly appreciate your support, everyone.